Folks, this is not looking good. About a month ago, I posted a video about a video game called Soma, and the central theme of this game is copying a consciousness into a machine. They do this by performing a brain scan, mapping every single neuron, and then uploading a copy of that brain for later use. And that brain, or machine, is now alive with all the memories and cognitive abilities and sense of self. Now, this horrifying concept in science fiction is now a reality. About a couple weeks ago, a new discovery was made. Scientists have copied an entire biological brain, neuron by neuron and synapse by synapse, and made it control a simulated body that can walk, groom, and behave. This achievement is known as whole brain emulation, the process of recreating a biological brain inside a computer simulation so its neural circuits can produce real behavior. On March 7th, 2026, a small San Francisco company called Eon Systems released a video online. This video showed a simulated program with a fruit fly that is rendered in a physics engine. The fly started moving on its own, interacting with its environment, walking, rubbing its limbs, reaching down its mouth on a food source. And to be clear, this is not AI. There's no artificial models, no data learning. It wasn't trained, it was not scripted or animated or approximated. It was a precise digital copy of a real biological brain, taken from a real animal, reconstructed neuron by neuron, and run exactly as nature built it. Every one of the fly's 120,000 neurons was present. All 50 million of its synaptic connections were intact, carrying the exact weights and chemical signs. This is a copied brain, a working brain. For the first time in history, a complete biological brain inhabited a machine. Not a simplified model, not a statistical approximation, a literal copy. Right now, because of the limitations of our technology, scientists opted to only use a fly's brain. So think of this as more of a proof of concept. Their next target is a mouse brain, about 70 million neurons, which is about 560 times larger. And then a human brain, which is 86 billion neurons, about 1,200 times the size of the mouse's. This is a matter of scale, something that we as humans are increasingly getting good at. Our technology and discovery is increasing at an exponential rate. And the study by Eon Systems show us that copying a brain is entirely possible. It's only a matter of time before a practical human clone is invented. That concept in Soma, not so far into the future now. That Black Mirror episode, yep, now a reality. The fact that an animal brain can be copied, uploaded, and then used as is means that yours probably can as well. Does free will exist? Do we even exist beyond our own flesh? Or is our will limited within our own body? Does the spiritual even exist? It also makes you wonder why we spend time doing this, yet there's no cure for cancer, no cure for special ailments. Shows our priority. Anyways, let me know what y'all think. Is this a good thing? Or is it horrifying? Let me know. Please subscribe. That's all. Bye.